In 1470, the castle passed to the House of Albret by marriage and underwent considerable renovations that continued until the start of the following century. Over the course of the French Wars of Religion between 1560 and 1598, Huguenots and Catholics fought over the castle, and its ownership passed from one to the other several times. The monumental round tower and the adjacent scarp wall date back to this period at the end of the 1580s. They were strategically placed on the side facing the village, the Vézère River, and the Terrasson road, which were ruled and guarded from here. The bunkers at the lower levels were pierced with impressively large gun ports and an embrasure of almost 2 meters. The tower is also covered by a terrace and was probably used for artillery. In 1598, after putting an end to the Wars of Religion with the Edict of Nantes, King Henry IV, who had inherited the Montignac castle from his mother, Jeanne d'Albret, sold the entirety of the accompanying land to François d'Hautefort in order to pay off his personal debts. Like several other castles, Montignac served as a stone quarry after the French Revolution. In 1905, the new owner, Léon Poteberge, who was the mayor of Montignac, restored the remains and built a villa and planted an orange grove. He also had the southwest tower restored. It was covered by a roof terrace, reorganized, and equipped with closed brattices that are reminiscent of its medieval origins. All that survives of the medieval fortress today is the outline of the surrounding wall and its sloped base, one heavily modified wing, and the southwest tower. The keep, the square house, the dungeons, the west tower, the stateroom, and the chapel, mentioned in texts or shown on old maps, have disappeared.